Hey, apparently our marriage is going to be hard to unravel, so.
Why?
Apparently that's the tradition. If it rains on your wedding day, it means that the wedding knot is hard to unravel.
Who told you that?
Yeah.
Okay.
You gonna be weird? Yeah. It was beautiful.
You're gonna get married!
Ready?
Yeah!
Alright, let's do it. I promise to always care, to always love, and to always support you through all of the challenges and the crazy that life throws at us. I love you, and I'll be there.
Yes!
You want to do something?
Yeah!
And I promise to try every day to be the best wife, partner, and friend you've ever had. And I promise to love you, support you, and be there for you through it all. So heck yeah, let's do something, buddy.
From it, so come with me now. As long as I'm with you, I can do anything. As long as I'm with you, I can do anything. When you're looking for a way to go, won't you reach for
all have a glass, raise it up for these two, because this isn't just about Steph, it's about Chris too. Right. That's it. That's it. I'm proud of you and I love you. I love you.
Proud of you guys. I'm so happy to be here. I'm happy everybody could be here with us. I'm looking forward to what you guys do next.
I know you two will live such a happy life together, and I can't wait to experience it every step of the way. I love you both.
May your love be enduring as Chris's obsession with his fantasy football team. Your laughter be as contagious as Steph's smile, and your future be as bright as the dance floor after a round of tequila shots.